Today is Saturday. We're out here in Fort Worth, Texas on a beautiful morning at Corleone Forged headquarters. We got 2011 Mercedes S63 AMG V8 bi-turbo, so it's a twin turbo. Customer came in for 20-inch Corleone Forged Torios, brush finish, black letters, chrome lip. Something to keep the ride smooth and run it like factory. So these are his originals. As you can see, they are also 20 inches, close to the same specs. So another happy customer, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, look really good. Simple but clean. 2011 Mercedes S63 AMG. You know what I'm saying? Got fucking shit up. Yeah. Look really good though. Simple but clean. Remember that. We got it. We could build wheels for whatever car you want, however you desire. Corleone Forged can get you right. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no knocking other companies, but we just different, brother. We're built different. Customer service different. You know what I'm saying? We do shit for love. We ain't here just taking money. We're here to make sure you get right. Gotta get right, get right, get right, get right, get right. Gotta get right, get right, get right, get right, get right. CG Forged, mounted by CG Forged, balanced by CG Forged, cleaned by CG Forged. Make sure y'all check him out on YouTube at CG Forged. CG. Sador, the doctor. Gia, Mercedes, CG, Mercedes. All right, peace out. Let me get mine. Corleone back to back. Francisco. $760. 750, 760.
Ja, meine Bitte, bitte, an die Kinder.
نگو من دقیقه میگویی که دست طب همه دو خطر که چیزو که تصال کردم با کسی نه دیگه حتی